Sai Ram, dear children. Today I am teaching clothes in India. Class 3 EVS Part 5 Chapter 16. In Part 4 I have explained to you about fabric dye. There are 3 basic or primary colors, that is red, blue and green, secondary colors and natural or vegetable colors. So in this part let us have the explanation about fabric design. So the cloth is made attractive with various types of designs. So this is done either by weaving a pattern with different color of threads like this. This is design. So they will make different colors of, they will use different colors of thread on a loom or by printing design. Okay. So that is on clothes. Some ways to make design on clothes are as follows. There are some ways, that is block printing. So craft people carve intricate design into teak blocks of various shapes and sizes. So these blocks are then dipped in colors. These designs, how we will get these designs? See, this is that block printing device. So printed on the cloth. The most common type of fabric used in block printing is cotton. You can see the cotton cloth also. See, like this they will dip in color and print it on the cloth. So that gives us a beautiful design, right? See, there are different types of designs. This is where we will dip this in the color and we will print it on the dress, cloth. Mostly it will be cotton. Okay. So next, tie and dye. It is one of the most widely accepted and traditional method of printing textiles in India. In this process, the cloth, you can see this is tie and dye cloth. In this process, the cloth is tied into knots with a thread. The cloth is then dyed and dried. A beautiful pattern is formed when the knot is opened. This is a very creative method of, that is printing design on this. I will show you. Like this they will knot the cloth, then they will dry it. Okay. First they will knot it. You can see they will tie it into knots with a thread, then the cloth is dyed, color it and then they will dry like this. Okay. So there you can see a different beautiful patterns is formed with knot is, when the knot is opened. Okay. Can you see children? This is tie and dye. See different pattern. Okay. So next we have kalamkari. So it is normally done on cotton fabric with only natural colors. Here they will use natural colors. Kalamkari is the artwork done with a special pen. So Bihar is known for this work. I will show you. You can see these designs. This is kalamkari. Can you see? There is different style on it. So they will use different pen and they will mostly use cotton clothes. You can see that pen, special pen. So different designs also. That pen, kalamkari, they will use special pen for to coloring. Okay. So Bihar is known for this work. It is very famous in Bihar. Okay. So summary, fabric designs, that is the cloth is made attractive with various types of designs. So there are some ways to print designs on the cloth, that is block printing, tie and dye, kalamkari, and I showed you the example pictures also. Understood children this 3 method? Yes. So questions. First question, the cloth is made attractive with various types of dash. Second one, the most common type of fabric used in block printing is dash. Third question, dash is one of the most widely accepted and traditional method of printing textiles in India. Fourth question, what is tie and dye? Fifth one, what is kalamkari? Okay children, so write down all the questions in your classwork, find out the answers in the video and write down. Okay children, so keep practicing. Thank you.